State Farm, the cheapest car insurance in Florida in 2022. State Farm comes in second in our 2022 cheapest car insurance in Florida ranking. It excels in a number of crucial areas, including client loyalty, customer referrals, and policy renewals. Reading our article to learn more about State Farm, the cheapest car insurance in Florida. An overview of State Farm, the cheapest car insurance in Florida. 1. What is the State Farm, the cheapest car insurance in Florida? State Farm has been in business for more than a century and is now one of the most well-known car and home insurance companies in the country. Drivers can take advantage of various unique options and features provided by the corporation, including strong industry and customer service reputation. According to J.D. Power's research, State Farm has a spectacular customer service reputation as well as strong industry scores. Low prices for young drivers. According to our study, young drivers can find low auto insurance coverage via State Farm. The company also provides discounts and a telematics insurance scheme to help customers who lack driving expertise save money. State Farm offers a wide range of coverage options, including regular auto insurance as well as roadside assistance, rental car reimbursement, travel expense reimbursement, and rideshare insurance. 2. What does State Farm insurance options? State Farm also provides the following policy add-ons: roadside assistance, towing to the nearest repair shop, fuel delivery, spare tire replacements, lockout service, battery jump starts, and up to 1 hour of mechanical labor at the breakdown site are all covered by this option. Rental car reimbursement. This option reimburses rental car fees for qualified events up to the policy limit. You have the option of having State Farm reimburse you for the expense or scheduling and paying for a rental. Travel expense. If you're 50 miles or more from home and need your car fixed, this option will pay up to $500 for meals and hotel. It only applies if you have a collision or comprehensive insurance policy that covers your damages. Insurance for ride-sharing. This option assures that you are always covered when driving for a company like Uber or Lyft. What makes State Farm become the best and cheapest car insurance in Florida? State Farm also has affordable prices and is ranked third in our list of the cheapest car insurance companies. State Farm customers pay $1,267 per year on average for coverage, which is less than the national average of $1,442. The only two insurers in our survey with lower average rates are USAA and Geico. 1. Customer service at State Farm. State Farm is tied for second place with Farmers and Nationwide, with a score of 4.3 out of 5. 59% of State Farm customers who have not filed a claim are entirely satisfied with the convenience of contacting customer care and the treatment they received. Customers who filed a claim reported comparable experiences, however, satisfaction rates fell slightly to 56%. 2. State Farm claims management. State Farm and Nationwide both have a score of 4.2 out of 5. Only Travelers, USAA, and Farmers are tied for first place in our study. Almost 56% of State Farm clients are entirely happy with the simplicity of filing a claim. Almost 55% of clients are fully satisfied with the way the organization handled their claims. While State Farm's scores are generally higher than the national average, less than half of individuals polled are satisfied with the communication they received during their claims experience. 3. Customer loyalty at State Farm. State Farm shares a 4.1 out of 5 rating with Nationwide, Travelers, and Farmers, according to our poll data. Only USAA has a higher ranking. This category ranks insurers based on whether or not consumers are likely to renew their insurance and recommend their current insurer to another driver looking for coverage. Almost 43% of those who did not file a claim say they are very likely to recommend State Farm. This figure falls to 40% among customers who have filed a claim. 50% of respondents, whether they submitted a claim or not, said they are highly likely to renew their coverage. How much does State Farm, the cheapest car insurance in Florida, cost? State Farm's premiums are normally lower than the national average for most drivers, and it offers exceptionally competitive rates for teen drivers and those with a DUI or accident on their record. Drivers with weak credit, on the other hand, may want to look at different insurers. Drivers with bad credit spend $3,654 per year on average for State Farm coverage. Roughly $900 more than the national average. Remember that auto insurance rates differ depending on your age, location, driving record, credit history, and vehicle type. Your average premium will be influenced by the amount and type of coverage you select. Before making a selection, always obtain and compare auto insurance quotes from at least 3 different insurers. This might assist you in locating the best pricing and policy for you. Conclusion: State Farm, the cheapest car insurance in Florida, receives a rating of 9.3 out of 10.00 and is named Editor's Choice in 2022. The 9.3 grade was calculated by combining 5 main performance areas: reputation, availability, coverage, cost, and customer experience.